In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a 3D object in LibreOffice Draw quickly and easily. This is a simple but powerful feature, and it's great if you want to make your diagrams, presentations, or design projects look more professional and visually interesting. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open LibreOffice Draw. Once the editor opens, take a look at the left side panel. You should see a blue cube icon there which represents the 3D Objects tool. Click on that blue cube to activate the 3D shape options. After you select it, move your cursor over the editor area and click anywhere on the canvas. As soon as you click, the 3D object will appear automatically. From there, you can start adjusting it to fit your design. You can resize the object by clicking and dragging the handles around it, or you can reposition it wherever you want on the page. If you want a different look, LibreOffice Draw also gives you access to other 3D shapes, so you're not limited to just one cube. You can switch between different 3D objects and experiment with the style that works best for your project. This is especially useful if you're building custom graphics, visual layouts, or educational diagrams and want something that stands out more than a flat shape. Once you've added the 3D object, you can continue editing the rest of your document as needed. It really only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in the overall look of your work. So to recap, open LibreOffice Draw, click the blue cube on the left panel, click on the canvas to place the object, then resize or change the 3D shape as needed. And that's how you add a 3D object in LibreOffice Draw. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.